How to fix unable to access cellular data and make calls on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve mobile network connectivity issues on your Android device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Swipe down again to expand the quick settings menu. Next, tap on airplane mode to turn it on. Your device will disconnect from all networks. Wait for about 10 seconds. Following that, tap on airplane mode again to turn it off. Your phone will reconnect to the cellular network. Now, check if you can access mobile data or make calls. If the issue persists, make sure mobile data is enabled. Open the Settings application on your Android device. Scroll down and tap on Connections or Network and Internet. Tap on Mobile Networks. Afterwards, make sure the toggle for mobile data is turned on. If it's off, tap on it to enable mobile data. Additionally, check if your SIM card is properly inserted. Power off your device first by pressing and holding the power button. Tap on Power Off from the menu. Wait for your phone to shut down completely. Once it's off, locate the SIM card tray on the side of your device. Use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to open the tray. Remove the SIM card and check for any dust or damage. Wipe the SIM card gently with a soft cloth. Reinsert the SIM card properly into the tray. Push the tray back into your device until it clicks. Now press and hold the power button to turn your phone back on. Wait for your device to boot up completely. If you still can't access cellular data or make calls, reset your network settings. Go back to Settings and tap on General Management or System. Tap on Reset or Reset Options. Look for Reset Network Settings and tap on it. A warning will appear that all network configurations will be reset. Tap on Reset Settings to confirm. Your device will reset all mobile network and Wi-Fi settings. After the reset completes, your phone should reconnect to the cellular network. Test by making a call or opening a browser with mobile data. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you fix cellular data and calling issues on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android troubleshooting guides, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.